Hello kids! Today we are going to read a short story entitled Al's Bag. Are you ready? Let's start! Al has a bag. It has a mat. It has buns. It has bananas. But it has ants too. Ants, ants, says Al. Al lets the bag go. Now we will answer the different questions from the story. Number 1. What is the name of the boy in the story? A. Al, B. Alf, C. Ants. That's right. The answer is A. Al. Number 2. What does he have in his bag? A. A mat, B. An apple, C. An orange. Very good. The answer is A mat. Number 3. What will he do? A. Have a nap, B. Have a party, C. Have a snack. Correct. The answer is A. Have a snack. Number 4. What does he let his bag go? A. He is afraid, B. He is glad, or letter C. He is mad. That's right. The answer is A. He is afraid. Number 5. Which sentence tells us why it is a good idea for the boy to let go of his bag? A. So the ants cannot get the food. B. So the ants cannot bite him. C. So the ants will be free. Very good. The answer is B. So the ants cannot bite him. Good job, kids!